I think you have doubts in the chapter matter. So let's clear it. First, we start from the definition. What is matter? Matter is a physical substance which occupies space and has mass. Matter is composed of tiny particles called molecules. Molecules consist of smaller particles called atoms. And these atoms contain three elementary particles. They are electron, proton and neutrons. So we can say matter is composed of atoms. Now let's discuss the classification of matter. Matters can be classified according to physical states and according to composition. According to physical state of matter, we classify it into three types. So one solid, next one liquid and the third one gas. But according to composition, matters can be classified into element, compound and mixture. Now we will discuss what is solid, what is liquid and what is gas. Solid, liquid and gas are three states of matter. The major three states of matter. But do you know there is a fourth state of matter that is called plasma. Now let's have a look about the properties of solid, liquid and gases. Solids have fixed shape because their molecules are very tightly bound. They are very tightly bound, so they have a fixed shape. So they will also have a fixed volume. But solids cannot be compressed as they are very hard. But in case of liquids have no definite shape and they always take the shape of the container. If we pour water into a glass, then the water takes the shape of the glass. When we pour water into a bowl, it takes the shape of the bowl. So liquids have no definite shape, but they possess a definite volume. That is, when they are kept, they take a definite space. If we go to a shop, grocery shop and say, please give me 1 liter of mustard oil. What do we mention by this 1 liter? 1 liter is the volume of the mustard oil. That means liquids have definite volume. But liquids are very difficult to compress. But in case of gases like liquids have no definite shape. But even gases have no definite volume. When we keep gas in a closed container, gas take the shape of the closed container. But gases can be compressed. According to its composition, matter can be divided into three main categories. They are pure substance, compound and mixture. A pure substance is a form of matter that has a constant composition. That is, the properties are same throughout the sample of matter. Example, iron, gold, aluminium, oxygen, hydrogen, etc. Mainly, a pure substance contains one type of atom. If a material is composed of two or more substances, but the properties of those substances do not change, that means remain unchanged, then it is called a mixture. If we mix salt into water, both the properties of salt and water remain unchanged. The solution is then a mixture. You all are aware that air is a mixture of gases. But a compound consists of two or more substances, but the properties of those substances are changed when they form the compound. Mainly, a compound is formed through a chemical reaction between two pure substances, two or more. It can be. Do you know that water is a compound? Its ingredients are hydrogen and oxygen. When hydrogen gas and oxygen gas reacts and in a specific condition, then it forms water. So water can be called a compound.